Hey everybody, it's Deb Hastings, and today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the background to your image in Canva from your mobile phone. So let's open up the Canva app, and I've already started an image here for the purpose of this training. So I have a background here. You can see this kind of rainbow look, and then I put an image of myself right there. So now we want to remove all this other background. And I'll let you know that the less busy the background is, the easier it is for the app to remove it. When you have a whole lot going on in the back, sometimes there are some elements of it won't remove, and you'll have to try to remove it manually. So, but let's check this one out. So you're going to select the image you want to remove the background. So I've selected it. And then down here at the bottom, you have a menu with replace, effects, filter, adjust, crop, fill, flip, animate, transparency. So you have all this, but we're going to go to effects. And the very first thing, it says BG remover. Now there's a lot of other effects that you can do, but for this video, we are going to only address the BG remover, which stands for background remover. So you're going to select that, and you can see on your selected image, it's doing its magic. So now we just have to sit here and wait. It's an awesome tool. I love this tool. I use it often. I like to insert myself on images or sometimes multiple products. Okay, there we go. So now you can see the background has been removed, and it did a pretty good job. So I'm going to just kind of slick. There, I clicked off of it, and now you can see I am on that image. Now you can see on my photo here on the end, I have kind of a blunt. Sometimes I'll put another element there to make that a smoother transition. Maybe I want to put some words. I can put a rectangle box there with some words and just make it look like a natural type transition. But for the purpose of this video, this is how you remove the background to your image. It's easy, very easy, right here on your phone. So, if this video was helpful, please smash that like button. The YouTube gods really love it, and it says, hey, you like me. And if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to the channel.